The Environmental Health Division of the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition recently hosted a Developmental Plan Appraisal Workshop aimed at strengthening the assessment of proposed development projects and ensuring that potential public health risks are identified before construction begins. A development plan is a set of documents submitted for review before a building or other development project is undertaken. These plans typically outline important details such as the proposed location, layout, design, and intended use of the development. They are reviewed by relevant agencies to help ensure that projects meet planning, environmental, and public health requirements. Senior Environmental Health Officer Glenda Etienne Sipal explains that the training is intended to strengthen the knowledge of officers and provide greater clarity in carrying out developmental plan assessments.
What we've recognized within the department is that we've had a lot of officers with the institutional knowledge who would have already retired, and we have a younger generation of officers coming into the division. We're giving them that level of knowledge so that they now can go into the field with a level of clarity and confidence when doing these assessments. We also have the physical planning development as part who have joined our training. They also will get a level of knowledge that will benefit them in their field as well. And we're also hoping that we have that level of exchange, information exchange between the two agencies. That's an opportunity for us to sit and share what issues that we're having while we're on the field so that we can possibly correct it.
The Senior Environmental Health Officer says the training is also expected to improve the efficiency of the developmental plan appraisal process.
One of the things we're hoping is when you look at turnaround time, when you look at the amount of time, because we are mandated under the law for applications to take about 31 days for processing. We're hoping that this training will enable us to go through the process seamlessly to reduce the number of days that plans stay within our office, and also to allow our officers to make technically sound recommendations as relates to development in St. Lucia.
Cephas Faisal, a building officer in the Ministry of Physical Planning, who also participated in the workshop, says it provided an important opportunity for both agencies to better understand each other's processes and strengthen collaboration in the appraisal of development applications.
Well, it's part of our appraising process that we need the health applications, so some enlightenment on the process that they go through would help us a lot, because, it's a different department. So, and we basically liaise together because we need the health application approval first before we appraise any application. So it kind of coincides together.
The training workshop also highlights the important role of environmental health officers in the developmental plan appraisal process. Their technical assessments and recommendations can help ensure that developments meet appropriate health and environmental standards and contribute to safer communities. From the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition, I am Onika McCoy.